Hi, my name is Julianne O'Connor, and I'm the author of a book called Spelling It Out for Your Man. I begin a book tour in December, and I'm going to have a pretty active schedule. And so I sort of made it a mission to lose some weight that I had packed on since I gave birth to my 4-year-old daughter. And I am a vegetarian and a pretty health conscious woman as it is, and typically I'm not willing to try products, and very rarely do I endorse anything. But that said, I was introduced to this product, SlimFi, and I, of course, was extremely skeptical and hesitant to try it. But after reading the ingredients, I was actually pretty blown away and impressed by the ingredients. And then I had to verify, of course, that it was a vegan product and sort of do my due diligence before I would give it a try. But that said, the ingredients in this product are it's one of the first products I've come across where it's made up of ingredients that I would actually seek out and take regardless of whether or not I was taking a supplement or whatever. I would look for the natural forms of some of the ingredients in this. So that said, I tried the product. I've had tremendous results. I've lost a tremendous amount of weight in a very short period of time, and I am literally at my peak potential right now. I have more energy right now than I've had in years, and I'm on a mission right now to be in the best shape of my life, and that's saying a lot because I've been in some, amazing places in my life where I was in great shape. So I just want to say that this product is fantastic. It's the first product that I've found that I'm not afraid to take. I'm not concerned about the long-term effects of it. And it truly has benefits that if you do the research on some of the items and some of the ingredients or all of the ingredients in these products, then you're going to be really impressed by the type of products that they're using and the conscious level or the level of consciousness of this company, and you're going to see results. So I just want to say thank you so much, and good luck with your own mission, with whatever it is that you're trying to do in terms of your weight loss, and I hope that you see the results and success that I've had from this product. So thanks again.